Because a child who can isolate beginning sounds can easily identify a letter that is next to the image. For example, the teacher might say, "This is an apple. The beginning sound of apple is A. This letter says A. This is a goat. The beginning sound of goat is G. This letter says G. Veronica, what is the beginning sound of house?" "Right. So what does this letter say?" "Correct. That says H." Thomas, think about the beginning sound of moon. When you're ready, tell me what this letter says. Yes, M. Mary, what sound does this letter make? Yes, S. This introduction to the alphabet involves mapping the beginning sound of a spoken word onto a printed letter. This is the alphabetic principle at the letter level. You can see how beginning sound isolation is a crucial skill that helps a young child learn the sounds of letters, and how it can help a struggling learner understand the alphabet at a more conscious level, and thereby solidify his alphabet knowledge and perhaps pick up some drop stitches.